Hey guys, it's time to unbox the hottest Sammy babes of 2018. We got the Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus and the A8 2018 phones in the house. They just got launched today, as you can see the warranty and stuff. So you should be able to grab one from your nearest market. And of course, as far as the pricing is concerned, the A8 Plus is coming at $690 while the A8 is costing $630, at least here in Pakistan. And they are coming to UK as well. I think they are already in UK. Not sure about the US, but compared to the last year's model, the pricing has definitely gone up. They do offer a lot of flagship quality features, which we will discuss in a bit. So before I get into the unboxing, I am giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy A8 2018. So I have to follow a couple of rules. So subscribe to this channel, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, leave a comment below. I will be announcing the winner on February 20th, which is almost 1 month from now. So best of luck. All right, time to open these bad boys. We have plastic wrapper around the box, this one as well. Okay, as you can see, pretty simple box. We got the A8 and A8 Plus logo up front with the 2018 year indication as well. Flipping the boxes, as you can see, we have the specification. The Infinity display is finally here for the mid-range phones. Along with that, we have dual front cameras that will give you the ability to take live focus selfies. And also these phones are water and dust resistant, IP68 certified. Of course, 4G LTE supported, a new Exynos 7885 processor that is faster as well as battery friendly. So we'll be doing our battery drain test as well. 16 megapixel camera on the back, while 16 plus 8 megapixel dual front camera. Okay, I got my knife here and let's just quickly cut the seal. Here we go, the moment of truth. Boom. Okay, so no phones up front. We have the Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus logo. This is, of course, the paperwork. And lifting this up, we have the mini beast. So as you can see with the front protector, we do have all the highlighted specs. Wow, they feel super premium in hand. And as you can see, I have the Galaxy A8 in the Orchid Grey color, while the A8 Plus in the gold color. So Samsung is offering like a total of 4 colors with these ones. We have black, gold, Orchid Grey, and blue. So let's just put these phones on the side and take a look inside the box. So this is the charger we have. Of course, they do support fast charging. As you can see, it is pretty simple stuff. The USB Type-C cable as well, and normal Samsung headphones. So no AKG love with the Galaxy A8 family. That is just reserved for the bigger Galaxy S models and the Note models. So, and let's see what was inside this box. So we got our SIM ejecting tool, quick start guide, and look at that, a transparent case, plastic case from Samsung. So this is definitely inspired from other competitors. So I mean, normally Samsung in the past, they haven't given away a case in the box. So now you do get cases with both A8 and A8 Plus phones. Time to move the boxes away. And let's take a look at the star of the show, which is both of these phones. So removing the plastic. Okay. Front sticker. All right. So all the stickers are off, and wow, I have to say these phones feel super duper premium. Like, not truly at the level of the Galaxy S. I mean, they do have that curved display, but still, I mean, if you are a fan of flat display, then these phones are definitely beautiful. So you can see we have the fingerprint scanner on the back of the phone. Now below the camera, that is the better position, which we will see on the Galaxy S9 as well. So I'm having that early experience. It is at a very comfortable position, still close to the camera lens, but it's not going to be an issue because this is where your finger will normally rest. So no problem whatsoever. And it's even more comfortable on the Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. So we have the premium material used here on these phones, glass on the back, aluminum on the side, power button on the right, along with the speaker, which is the best position for a speaker to be at because you're not going to be able to block the sound. Looking at the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port, the microphone hole. Along with that, the 3.5mm headphone jack is still present, which is awesome. Thank you, Samsung, for keeping it even in 2018. On the left hand side, we have the volume rocker and the SIM card / micro SD card tray. They offer 64GB of internal storage, and with that you can expand the storage via micro SD card. Alright, with that being said, let's just quickly boot up both of these two phones up at the same time and check out the first boot. So, okay, both of them have some battery juice, Galaxy A8 Plus, Galaxy A8, and about the screen size, of course, the A8 Plus is coming with a 6-inch display, while the A8 is coming with 5.6-inch. But I have to say, both phones, they feel incredibly handy. This one, of course, it is even handier than the Galaxy S8, which has a 5.8-inch display. But yeah, the A8 Plus is also not a super big phone thanks to this awesome infinity display. We're just gonna go through the setup real quick. Time to set up that new fingerprint scanner. And as you can see, we are done with the setup. We do have that latest Samsung Experience UI up and running on both phones. I'm pretty sure that it is not Android 8.0 Oreo, and yep, this is not the Android 8.0 Oreo. So you can see that the infinity display is definitely here, but not quite as good as the Galaxy S8. I mean, if you compare the bezels, we still have some level of bezels down at the bottom and on the top of the display. So still, this phone looks pretty damn amazing to me. Both of these two phones are offering the Bixby voice assistant, so there's no dedicated button on the phone like the Galaxy S or the Note series, but they do have Bixby with the software, and these are all the stock applications we have on the phone. So very less bloatware, just 4 rows of application. Of course, Samsung applications are here in this folder. Then we have a couple of Google applications and a separate folder for the Microsoft applications. Now we do have the always on mode on these phones, just like the Galaxy S series, but the home button area is not pressure sensitive. So if you press hard on this place, nothing happens. The phone doesn't react or wake the display up, but on the Galaxy S series or on the Note series, you can do this and wake the display up. Well, here it is not pressure sensitive. With the Galaxy A8 series, this is not pressure sensitive. You can just double tap on it to wake the display, and that's pretty much it. And now let's quickly test out the fingerprint scanner speed. So I'm just gonna place my finger on these sensors, and boom. As you can see, pretty fast. Almost instantly as soon as you put your finger on the sensor. The best part is that they are not inconvenient anymore. The position is pretty good. It is similar to what we're gonna see with the Galaxy S9 as well. Now let's take a look at those cameras. So 16 megapixel rear camera. The camera UI is very similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Note 8. You can swipe right to see all your modes, and swiping to the left will take you to the effects. There's no back camera live focus mode, but there is with those front cameras. So as you can see, I've switched to the front cameras on both phones, and the live focus is here. So I played with this mode and captured a couple of selfies, and you can see that it works pretty well. In most conditions, it's gonna work without any problem. And I'm also glad that the stabilization with the back camera is now much improved compared to the last generation, which was the main problem with the cameras on the A5 and A7 2017. So now that is fixed, and the quality also feels a little bit improved. However, I will be doing a camera comparison side by side to actually see if there's any difference or not. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for those camera tests. And lastly, if we talk about the battery size, the Galaxy A8 Plus is coming with a 3500 mAh cell, while the A8 is coming with a 3000 mAh cell. So they should be able to perform really good because the displays are just coming at 1080p. So they're not as power hungry as the Galaxy S series, so they will be able to conserve a lot of battery, and I can't wait to test them out in the battery drain test. So make sure to subscribe for all that fun. Hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video, and best of luck for the giveaway. And I will be announcing the winner on February 20th. And yeah, best of luck, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.